everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for, what is this, December 2020. We started this August 19th of 2018. We, Amanda and I, and actually a few other people have joined in, are panning a product for every episode that has ever aired for Supernatural. I am in season 3. I believe Amanda's still in season 3. And yeah, we're going at it, and this is going to take a very long time, which is okay because I like long-term forever projects mixed with, you know, shorter projects. So I have a little bit of both, the best of both worlds. And yeah, we're doing six products at a time, and when we roll one out, then we go on to the very next episode, and so on and so forth until we get through all of the episodes. It's a lot of episodes, it is. And I kind of revisit every episode. Like when I roll something new in, I always revisit that episode, and it brings back some memories from the first time that I watched it. And I kind of like that a whole lot. Some episodes are way better than others. I personally like the really campy episodes because I'm kind of a dork like that. I always joke that snark and sarcasm are my love language, and you know, I just like those campy, snarky episodes. So yeah, I'm weird. Yes, I am, and I embrace my weirdness. Okay, so let's get into the actual episodes and the products. I am still working on Hollywood Babylon. I believe that was still in season 2. That was one where I, in my infinite wisdom, thought it would be a good idea to pan this Starlux Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. An update or so ago, I decided I'm just going to do a 20 use on this because it had been in like a year. And I am currently at 5 uses, but I have pretty much decided that I'm going to start using this much more frequently because a lot of my other projects I have done the finales for, so there's a lot less that I am panning right now. This is my window to make some serious progress on some things, and I have a feeling that this Ultra Olive Gem Pencil is going to get a ton of use by the next update. And I normally do this update a little bit later, but because it's December and we got a lot of stuff going on, when I normally post it, I have some finales and some stuff setting up for projects next year. I have that towards the end of the month, so I'm doing this a little bit early. So I'm going to get probably 5 weeks between this update and the next update. So yeah, I need 15 more uses, and in 5 weeks, if I use it 3 times a week, I should be there. Did I do my math right? Because I don't know. It's late at night, and sometimes math is not my strong suit. All right, so 5 uses on that. I need to do 15 more. For the episode of Fresh Blood, it's a vampire episode. I chose something that looks kind of like blood. This is the Revlon Raven Red nail polish. It has not moved from this bottom line here. It's like a pinky line. Even though I have used it actually 3 times because I had to put some thinner in it. It was starting to get a little bit thick. So when I put thinner in it, of course, it raised the level on the bottle. So I am hoping to get some more usage out of it before the next update, and I'm really hoping that that will be an empty for me. I'm hoping. I don't know if it'll happen, but again, 5 weeks and just that little bit of product. Even if I have to put a little bit more thinner in it, I think if I do manis and petties, I can probably make that happen. A very supernatural Christmas. This is the KleanColor Holiday Jingle. It is a green glitter polish. This is a usage goal for me. I want to get 20 uses on this, and so far I have gotten 4. It is Christmas season. I am probably going to be doing more with reds and greens, so be on the lookout for that. It would be nice to get a lot of uses on that one because I don't want that one hanging out too much past like the first of the year, because to me it's a very Christmassy color, and I won't want that green again until like St. Patrick's Day. I don't want it to be in here until March because, you know, it's a long time. I want to keep on going. So 16 more uses on that. Could get difficult, but we'll see what happens. Dream a Little Dream of Me. That is an episode where there's a ton of sleep references. Bobby's in a coma, and I decided that I wanted to pick something that I would use at night right before I go to sleep. So I have the Goop Beauty Goop Glow Glycolic Acid. It's the 5%. It's really for people that have sensitive skin like myself. And I started with 4 peels. I only use this as needed. It's not something that I use like on a schedule. If my skin doesn't need it, I'm not going to use it. I am down to 1. I have 1 left in here. Odds are, now that the weather is drier and I have more problems with my psoriasis, because I actually do have some on my face. I have it on my scalp. I have it on my face, behind my ears. The greatest places to have it. And it tends to be exacerbated by the colder, drier weather. I do think I probably will have this done before the end of the year, and obviously before the next update. So I'm not too worried about that one. For Mystery Spot, that is an episode that is very similar to like Groundhog Day, the movie, where Sam keeps waking up over and over and over again, and Dean he dies in every iteration of the days when he wakes up. And so because it is similar to Groundhog Day, I picked something that I have a lot of. Even if they aren't identical, I have something very similar, and that is lip balms. I have so many stinking lip balms. This is the Event Blossom lip balm. It's potted. It's not my favorite. I haven't used it, and part of the reason that I haven't used it since I brought it in here is because I am working on another lip balm that I'm trying to finish before the end of the year, just, you know, for inventory numbers and purposes like that. But hopefully once that other lip balm is done, I will start to get some more usage on that one. And the very last one is Justin Bello. I shot the sheriff, but you didn't shoot the deputy. Again, the campy ones. They're the ones that always get me. Those 2 lines were in the movie, so of course, sheriff and deputy, I think they carry guns, so I chose the Pacifica Gunmetal eyeliner. This is a usage, I want to use it 20 times. I've only used it once, and that's because I am trying to pan a black eyeliner that is so close. It is so close to being done, and once that is done, I can actually have free reign on this one. So I'm thinking I'm not going to get at my uses by the next update, but I will have more uses than I have right now. So that was my long-winded update for this. Again, I really hope to be able to roll in some new products at the next update, because not that I don't love the products that I'm working on, or at least like them. I want to keep the ball rolling. I don't want to be bored. I don't want to see the same products over and over and over again forever. So cross your fingers that I can get a few of these done. I think I can. Like, I'm the little train that could. I think I can. Yeah. Next update should be a good one. All right. Again, Amanda's info is going to be down there. Look for her to come back in the new year. Yay! And I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.